In this video, we'll explore the ability to generate a terminal plan in the design to manufacturing software. The terminal plan command can be found under the Insert tab. After determining the starting sheet name and sheet format, multiple options can be configured to customize the layout of the finished plan, as well as what higher level assignment and location of terminals to include in the plan. The output terminal plan will be generated in a terminal plan folder and includes the number of sheets required to completely cover all the terminal groups. Each terminal will be listed, including the relevant information regarding wiring signal, destination target, and displays which terminals are jumped together.